welcome to this new video, and today it's time to recapitulate all the past tenses you have already learned. So come on, let's go. And the first one today is the past simple tense. Well, you know, the past simple tense is the most common in English, and you can use it for actions that were completed in the past, actions that started and finished in the past. Let's do this example. Sandra bought the ticket 2 months before the show. Sandra bought the ticket. So of course, this is a completed action. By the way, when you use the past simple tense, you can use complements as last week, last weekend, years like in 1992, or exact date. It's up to you. Let's do the next one. And now we have the past continuous, right? The past continuous, well, you can use the past continuous to give background information. Indeed, we use the past continuous to talk about an action that was in progress at a certain point in the past. For example, we've got, I was watching TV when you called. Sorry, I was watching TV when you called. Of course, that was the activity that was in progress. The activity I was making. I was watching TV. So you called, sorry, I couldn't answer. And of course, remember, you can use the past continuous in a story to give background information. It means, what were you doing? For example, what were you doing when Sandra arrived? Well, I was working. Sorry, I was busy. And so on. Well, now, let's do the next part. And now we've got the past perfect. So we use the past perfect for an action that happened before another action at a certain point in the past. For example, we've got, by 8 p.m., Jo have done all her work. By 8 p.m., Jo have done all her work. So she left. So can you see it? By that time, she had completed that work. So remember, in this case, if you have the right order in actions, only use past simple. For example, I woke up yesterday. Then I got up, I got dressed, and after that, I had breakfast with my husband. So that was my real routine yesterday. And I'm talking about this in order. I only use the past simple tense. But it's different if I say, hey, when I woke up, the program had finished. Of course, I woke up late, so the program had already finished. So well, it's up to you. And finally, we talk about the past perfect continuous. So you know, we use the past perfect continuous to emphasize, you know, the duration of an activity or simply with something else happened in the past. So in other words, we use the past perfect continuous for an action that was in progress or a repeated action in the past. For example, we've got, by she'd been working so hard. She'd been working so hard, she fell asleep. She fell asleep in the car. She'd been working so hard. That was a repeated action. So well, now you know. It's time to remember each one of these tenses and make your own examples. Come on, let's have fun together.